Hello everyone, myself Yash Kakkad. I am a member of Exams Possible team Viday. Viday is a non-profit organization started by the students of IIIT Kanchipuram. In this video, I am going to teach you about the concept of calendar. Then I would teach you about the subtopics of calculation of day on a particular date. Then we would go through the concept of leap year and normal year, and then we would also solve problems based on these above concepts. So let us start with the concept of calendar. Coming on to the calculation of day on a particular date. In this subtopic, we will learn about how to calculate a particular day on a particular date. That is, in the question we would be given that suppose if 23rd of January is Saturday, then which day would fall on 2nd of February, which day would fall on 4th of February. Such questions would be asked to us. So let us see how to approach these kind of problems. First, coming on to the very basic part, as we all know, a week consists of 7 days. That is, if today is 23rd of January, Saturday, then exactly after 7 days, that is on 30th of January, we will again have a Saturday. You can see that the day Saturday repeats itself after an interval of 7 days. Now let's first see how it repeats itself after a period of 7 days. 23rd of Jan is Saturday, 24th of Jan is Sunday, 25th of Jan is Monday, 26th of Jan would be Tuesday, 27th of Jan would be Wednesday, 28th of Jan would be Thursday, 29th of Jan would be Friday, and then 30th of Jan would be Saturday. So there is a difference of 7 days between 23rd of January and 30th of January. So exactly, that is 23rd plus 7 equals to 30th January. Exactly after a period of 7 days, we would again have a Saturday on 30th of Jan. So we could infer from this that after a multiple of every 7, that is after a period of every 7, 14, 21, 28 days, we would get the same day on any particular date. That is, if 23rd of January Saturday, then exactly after 7 days, that is on 30th January, I would get Saturday. Then on 6th of February, that 6th of February, I would again get a Saturday, because the difference of days between 23rd of January and 6th of February is 14. So again on 6th of February, I would get a Saturday. Then again on 13th of February, I would get a Saturday. So you can see in the multiple of 7, we would get same day. So this is what we have referred from the previous slide, that from that days repeat themselves after interval of multiple of 7 days. That is, after interval of every 7, 14, 21, 28 days, we would get the same day. Now let's see another example. Suppose if 20th of January is Wednesday, then which day would be on 29th of January? To approach these kind of problems, you have to calculate the difference of days between 29th of January and 20th of January. That is, you have to simply calculate the number of days between 29th of January and 20th of January. So there is a difference of 9 days between 29th of January and 20th of January. Now, after calculating the difference of days, here the difference is of 9 days. So you have to find the closest multiple of 7 to 9. The closest multiple of 7 to 9. So here the closest multiple of 7 to 9 is 7 itself. Okay. So we know that exactly after 7 days, that is on 27th of January, we will again have a Wednesday. 20th of January was Wednesday, then 27th of January will again be a Wednesday. Okay, then after knowing that 27th of January will be a Wednesday, then we can easily figure out that 28th of January would be Thursday, 29th of January would be Friday. So the approach to these kind of problems is that you have to calculate first the difference of days. Suppose if the difference would have been 16 days, then you have to find the closest multiple of 7 to 16. Then in that case 14 would have been the closest multiple to 16. Here since the number of days is 9, so the closest multiple of 7 to 9 is 7 itself. Okay, coming on to the next problem. Let's look at one more example. Suppose 26th of January is Tuesday, then which day would fall on 2nd of February? Here you need to know how many days does January have. So January has 31 days, February has 28 or 29 days depending upon whether that particular year is a leap year or not. March has 31 days, April has 30 days, May has 31 days, June has 30, July and August both have 31 days, September has 30 days, October has 31, November has 30 days and December has 31 days. So first we would calculate the difference of days from 31st January to 26th January. So the difference of days between 31st of January and 26th of January is 5 days. And then adding on 1st February and 2nd February, the total difference would be 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 7. So the total number of difference of days between 26th of January and 2nd of February is 7 days. So here on 2nd of February we will again have a Tuesday. We would again have a Tuesday on 2nd of February. Now coming on to the next example. In the earlier example I didn't mention about the year, which year it was. So in this example, here you are given 4th of February 2021 is a Thursday, then which day would be on 2nd March 2021? Here you can see that here I have mentioned the year 2021. So here you need to know whether February would contain 28 days or 29 days. If 2021 would be a leap year, then February would have 29 days. If 2021 is not a leap year, then February would have 28 days. So in next video, I would teach you about how to check on whether a year is a leap year or not. As of now, you just remember that 2021 is not a leap year. So since 2021 is not a leap year, February would have just 28 days. Also from the previous example, here the difference of days, in previous example the difference of days was just 9 or 7, but here the difference of days is of 28 days. That is starting from 4th February to 28th February, the difference is of 24 days. Then adding 1st March and 2nd of March, the total difference becomes to 26 days. Now you have to find the closest multiple of 7 to 26. This should be the approach. Whenever you calculate the difference of days between two particular dates, you have to find the closest multiple of 7 to the difference of the days. That is the closest multiple of 7 to 26. So 28 is the closest multiple of 7 to 26. So on 3rd of March the difference would be of 27, and on 4th of March the difference would become 28. And as we have difference of 28 days between 4th of March and 4th of Feb, there would be again a Thursday on 4th of March. So we have figured out that 4th of March would have Thursday. Then we can easily calculate that 3rd of March would have Wednesday, then 2nd of March would have Tuesday. So there would be a Tuesday on 2nd of March. So this should be your approach while tackling this kind of problems. So in the next video I will teach you about the leap year or normal year. Till then, thank you very much.